Their special song, promotional talk, Brother Justy Diasis, intermission song, Kanoy Family, Gazeta, Secretary Report, and lessons studied by classes. Tribe of God, regular members 8 members, absent 3, visitors none, total attendance 5, Sabbath school offering 160 pesos. Tribe of Ashir, regular members 9 members absent 4, visitors none, total attendance 5, Sabbath school offering 410 pesos. Tribe of Issachar, regular members 10 members absent 5, visitors none, total attendance 5, Sabbath school offering 10 pesos. Tribe of Dan, regular members 10, members absent 1, visitors none, total attendance 10, Sabbath school offering 179 pesos. Tribe of Judah, regular members 10, members absent 9, visitors 3, total attendance 5, Sabbath school offering 121 pesos. Tribe of Simeon, regular members 10, members absent 5, visitors none, total attendance 5, Sabbath school offering 131 pesos. Tribe of Joseph, regular members 12, members absent 3, visitors none, total attendance 9, Sabbath school offering 45 pesos. Tribe of Naphtali, regular members 9, members absent 2, visitors 3, total attendance 10, Sabbath school offering 121 pesos. Tribe of Reuben, regular members 6, members absent 3, visitors none, total attendance 3, Sabbath school offering 70 pesos. Tribe of Levi, regular members 10, members absent 6, visitors none, total attendance 4, Sabbath school offering 67 pesos. Tribe of Benjamin, regular members 26, members absent 10, visitors none, total attendance 16, Sabbath school offering 84 pesos. Tribe of Zebulon, regular members 10, members absent 4, visitors none, total attendance 6, Sabbath school offering 10 pesos. Total regular members 130, total members absent 67, total visitors 6, total attendance 69, and total Sabbath school offering 1,308 pesos. Personal ministry by Brother Eric, closing song, Sulong Kansatan, closing prayer, and presided by Harold Canoy, song leader, Mrs. Maria Camila Morano, at itong report aking Sabado ng Happy Sabbath.